What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Grim Reaper by Phem and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll drop kick your grandma off the turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I've left it in the video description for you. You can download it, so if you need it, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're going to start out with an A minor chord. It's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And you're going to pick that open A string, the D string, that's got your middle finger on the 2nd fret, and you're going to hammer on to the 3rd fret with your pinky, and then you're going to pick the B string that's got your index finger on the 1st fret. Pick that D string again, that's still got your pinky on it, and then pull off to the 2nd fret. Then put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the low E, plug that, open D, and then hammer on to 2, and then open B. Pluck that D string again, that's still got your index finger on it, and then pull off to open. So from the 1st chord, then you're going to go 1 on the low E and 3 on the A. You're picking E, A, open D, and then 2 on the D. So you do that twice, and then pick A, that's still got your ring finger on 3, take it off, and pick it open, and then everything starts all over again. So that 2nd part looks like... And you can pull that off, that's probably more so what they're doing. And then it starts all over. So from the very beginning, very, very slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.